Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Dhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th Maths, and we revise the chapter Triangle. Okay, in this chapter we learn about triangle and the properties, some theorems of triangle, what is angle sum property of a triangle, and how to denote the triangle. Okay, understand? So you have studied about triangle and their various property in your earlier classes. Okay, understand? So now we have revised this chapter again. Okay, understand? The rule of triangle and so on. So let's revise what is triangle. Okay, we know that a plane figure closed by three intersecting line is called a triangle. Here tri means three. A triangle has three sides, three angle and three vertices, and it is denoted by the symbol. This is the symbol which we have denoted to triangle. Okay, understand? Now, and we give the name ABC or PQR and so on. Triangle A, if we name them A, B, C, then triangle. Okay, now it's revision time. In triangle, in this chapter we learn about triangle. Okay, what is triangle and what is congruency rule of triangle and so on. So let's revise what is triangle. Okay, we know that a plane figure closed by three intersecting line is called a triangle. Here tri means three. A triangle has three sides, three angle and three vertices, and it is denoted by the symbol. This is the symbol which we have denoted to triangle. Okay, understand? Now, and we give the name ABC or PQR and so on. Triangle A, if we name them A, B, C, then AB, BC, CA is the side of a triangle, and angle A, angle B and angle C are the angle of this triangle, and A, B, C are the vertices of this triangle. Okay, understand? So according to the side of a triangle, we classified the triangle into three parts. Okay, according to the length of their side. First of all, that is scalene triangle have no side of equal length. Okay, isosceles triangle have two sides of an equal length, and equilateral triangle have three equal sides. Okay, now if we talk about according to measure of their angle, if we classify the triangle according to their angle, then again it is three types, that is acute angle triangle, all three angles and sides are less than 90 degree, one angle greater than 90 and less than 180, right angle triangle, that is one angle equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we can see in this chapter, that is congruence of triangle. Okay, two figures are said to be congruent if they are of same shape and the same size. Okay, congruent means equal in all respect, or figure whose shape and side both are same. Okay, that is example, two circle of the same radius and two square of the same sides are congruent. Okay, what do you mean by congruence of triangle? Two triangles are congruent if side and angle of a triangle are equal to the corresponding side and the angle of the other triangle. Okay, understand? Or we can say that if a triangle cover the other triangle completely, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, understand? If triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, then we write triangle PQR is congruent. What is the sign of congruency? This is the sign of congruency. Okay, we can say that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, understand? So, and if two triangles are congruent, in congruent triangle corresponding parts are equal, and we write it in short CPCT. Okay, in short we can write it CPCT, means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, what do you mean by CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, understand? Now, if we talk about congruence criteria for congruence of triangle, then there is 4 criteria we learn in this chapter. That is, first of all, it will be first criteria will be side angle side. Okay, side angle side congruency rule. What is side angle side? Side angle side congruency rule that will tell us two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Okay, understand? This is called side angle side congruency rule. But in this rule, you have to know ASS or SSA rule do not hold. Means side angle side means you have to know, if we talk about side, then these two side and this angle. Okay, and if we talk about side angle side means these two side and this angle. Okay, and आप इस टाइप से ही बात कर सकते हो, दिस टू साइड एंड दिस एंगल. ओके, मीन्स टू साइड एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. ओके, understand? Included angle, then that is called SAS, side angle side congruence rule. Okay, understand? Now what about our second congruency rule, that is ASA, angle side angle. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the side between these two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the side between these two angles of other triangle. Okay, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, this is our second rule, that is called angle side angle congruency rule. Okay, we can say that angle side angle congruency rule. And if we talk about angle side angle, then AAS means angle side congruence rule also hold, since the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. We know that because angle sum property of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, if two pair of angle are equal, then the third pair is also equal. So two triangle and are congruent if any two parts of triangle and one pair of corresponding side are equal, and it is called AAS, congruence rule. Okay, understand? So this rule is also hold for congruency of two triangles. Okay, now some properties of triangle. In some property of triangles we learn two theorems. Okay, first theorem is said that angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangles are equal. Okay, we learn two theorems. First of all, we learn angle opposite. Just a minute. Okay, some properties of triangle. In this section we learn angle opposite to side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, and what about our second theorem? Our second theorem say that the side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. See, what do you mean? If these are isosceles triangle, अगर ये isosceles triangle है, सो अगर ये दो साइड इक्वल हैं तो इससे बने हुए एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. फर्स्ट थ्योरम इज से दैट. और सेकंड थ्योरम इज से दैट अगर ये दो एंगल इक्वल हैं तो उससे इंक्लूडेड साइड आर इक्वल. ओके, मीन्स कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ दिस थ्योरम इज कन्वर्स ऑफ दिस थ्योरम इज ऑल्सो होल्ड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट congruency rule say that some more criteria for congruence of triangle, that is SSS. Means if three side of one triangle is equal to three side of another triangle, then we can say that side congruency rule hold. Okay, and then two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, what about next? So our next theorem or our next criteria is RHS congruency rule. RHS means right angle, R means right angle, H means hypotenuse, and S means side. Okay, so we can say that in two right angle triangle, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, understand? So, and we can solve all the problems according to these criteria. Okay, understand? So student, whenever you use according to the given information, we apply the congruence rule. To apply this rule, there is no particular method, but the way of using these rules can be understood with the help of the following example, because we can doing so many examples and you have to know how to solve the questions. Okay, now the our next point of this chapter is inequality in triangle. Okay, what is inequality? Inequality means sometimes we can say that yes, two sides are equal and two angles are equal, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. But here, if we think that the equality of side and angle of a triangle or triangles, sometimes we do come across unequal object and we need to compare them. Okay, so what you can do in this comparison? Okay, so if this type of comparison are there, then first theorem is inequality of triangle is, if two side of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger or greater. Okay, means जो भी एंगल बड़ा है उसके अपोजिट जो साइड होगा, या जो भी साइड बड़ी है उसके अपोजिट जो एंगल होगा वो बड़ा होगा. ओके, जो भी साइड, विच साइड इज ग्रेटर, उसके अपोजिट जो एंगल होगा डेट इज ग्रेटर एंगल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? इन एनी ट्रायंगल, एंड आवर सेकेंड थ्योरम इज से दैट, see here, okay, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is longer, and we can prove it. Okay, now theorem 7.7 is stated, in any triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. जो लार्जर एंगल है उसके अपोजिट साइड हमेशा कैसी होगी? लॉन्गर होगी. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट थ्योरम इज सेडेड, द सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. Sum of two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so when we learn these all properties, so what result we get? There are some important results related to triangle as given below. Okay, every triangle is congruent to itself. Every triangle is congruent to itself. In two triangle, if there three angles of the one triangle correspondingly equal to the three angles of the other triangle, then they are said to be equiangular. Okay, understand? The difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than its third side. Difference always is less than the third side. A triangle is an isosceles triangle if and only if its any two altitudes are equal. Okay, understand? If the bisector of a vertical angle of a triangle bisect the base, then the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, understand? The median of an equilateral triangle are equal. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the longer side has the greater angle opposite to it. Okay, the angle of any two sides of a triangle is greater than twice the median drawn to the third side. Okay, the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three medians. Okay, students, the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of the opposite interior angle. Okay, understand? So this is our chapter. So student, in this chapter we learn so many for triangle. Okay, what about triangle, what is side of a triangle, and if two sides are equal, then what about the angles of a triangle, and if triangle is equilateral, then what about equilateral means all sides. If all the sides are equal, then what about the angles of this triangle? Okay, and when two triangles are congruent to each other, okay, and so on. So student, I will give you a notes in today. I will give you notes so you can write down it in your notebook. Okay, and I will also give you some questions, multiple choice question, because in exam you get always multiple choice question. Okay, so practice these questions also. Okay, now in this chapter we learn about triangle, and you have to learn and you have to remember all the theorems and all the criteria. Okay, and when the triangles are congruent, when the triangles are not congruent to each other, and what is the condition for congruency of two triangles. Okay, so remember all the things. Okay, in a triangle, angle opposite, or when the opposite side are when the angle is greater and when the angle is smaller. Okay, so these all things we learn in this chapter. Okay student, so you have to learn them, and you have to learn all the congruency rule and all the theorems included in this chapter. Okay, so remember these theorems and learn the theorems, complete your work in your notebook. Okay, and first one more thing, I see you all are not seeing the videos and not acknowledge the video on YouTube. It's not अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं, यूट्यूब पर एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी प्रेजेंस नहीं मानी जाएगी. आई विल गिव यू absent. ओके, अगर उस दिन आपने प्रेजेंट नहीं डाला है तो आई विल गिव यू absent. अंडरस्टैंड? सो बी केयरफुल, एंड इफ यू see the video, so remember to acknowledge them. आपको अपना प्रेजेंस डालना है, अपने नाम के साथ में अपना प्रेजेंस डालना है, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आपने वीडियो देखा है. ओके, आई विल गिव यू वर्कशीट एंड नोट्स with this video, so you have to complete the worksheet and copy the notes in your notebook. Okay, have a good day.